CADtools 7 adds 67 tools to Adobe Illustrator, just below the other Illustrator tools in the toolbox. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at the first 5 tools in the tool group of two-dimensional CAD drawing tools. We can remove this tool group by dragging the tear off icon at the end of the tools, just like Illustrator tool groups. We can identify CADtools icons by the red dot markings. Now, one special thing to know about CADtools icons is that the red dots tell us a little bit about how the tools work. If we look closely, the red dots help indicate where on the artwork and how many times to click when using the tool. Now make sure the CAD rectangle tool is selected. Click, hold, and drag. For a square instead of a rectangle, hold down the Shift button while dragging. We also can create a rectangle with numeric input. Click once and a dialog box appears where we can enter real-world values. CADtools will scale the object for us according to our settings in the CAD document panel. If we want to draw a rectangle or square outward from its center, CADtools has another tool that does exactly that, the CAD Centered Rectangle tool. Select that, click and drag to draw. Now let's try the CAD Ellipse tool. Click to select, click and drag to draw. Our cursor drags out the ellipse from the corner of the bounding box. And again, for exact dimensions, click once to input numeric real-world values. Our next tool is the CAD Centered Ellipse. This works just like the other centered tools. Click, hold, and drag. The next tool in our group is called the CAD 3-point circle. Let's select it. To draw a circle, we click on 3 different locations that define the path of our circle. Any circle can be created like this. If we need a different size circle, we can recreate it or change to the Illustrator selection tool and resize the circle's bounding box. Remember, the CAD Tracker panel also helps us resize an object to exact dimensions numerically. In our next tutorial, we will cover the other 5 tools in this grouping.